Hello, in this video, we'll show you how to delete saved password in Google Chrome. It's a very easy process. What if we do is firstly open your Google browser, then simply go to the three lines at the top right corner over the history panel. Click on that, then again, click on history, and that will bring you to the Google Browse setting. Over here, you have to click on Delete Browsing Data, and that will open a pop-up window over here. You will notice a lot of options are already selected, but in order to only build the passwords from Google Chrome, make sure to uncheck all the boxes like this. Then go to the advanced tab and do the same right over here. Over here, check the password and other sign-in data option right over here. Now scroll down and see if anything is checked or not. Once your passwords are selected, just going to delete data right over here. And the moment you will do that, all the passwords in Google Chrome will be deleted. That's it. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.